ഫാദേഴ്സ് ഡേയോടനുബന്ധിച്ച് സ്കൂളിൽ നടത്തിയ പ്രോഗ്രാം നന്നായിരുന്നു. ഞങ്ങളത് ശരിക്കും എൻജോയ് ചെയ്തു. എൻ്റെ മോൾ എൻജോയ് ചെയ്തില്ലേ? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I couldn't come for my son's Father's Day event, but I'm glad I didn't miss this event. It was a wonderful experience celebrating Father's Day with my daughter. Say hi.
Hi, Father's Day തുടർന്നുള്ള പ്രോഗ്രാം ആയിരുന്നു. ഞാനും മോനും നന്നായിട്ട് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്തു.
Okay.
Hello.
So today was Let's Cooking Daddy, June 2024. This is my daughter Vaidehi. She's in LKG. I saw a different side today. My daughter was cooking for me. The program was me should cook for her, but instead my daughter said, no, I'll cook for you, Daddy. And then she started with saying, mine this is not healthy. It sprinkles some creative work. It's a different experience. I saw another side of my daughter. It's wonderful that DPS School is doing such programs. It shows something unique from my daughter's side. Thankful for DPS School and the staff and the teachers who put effort in this. Thank you so much.